Want to manage your iCloud settings on your iPhone? Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app. Then, at the top, tap on your Apple ID name. Next, tap on iCloud. And here you will see a full list of apps and services that use iCloud. To manage what's being backed up, toggle on or off the apps like photos, messages, and more depending on what you want saved to iCloud. And to check your iCloud storage, tap on iCloud Storage. You can view what's using up space and even choose upgrade or manage storage if needed. And if you want to enable or disable iCloud backup, tap on iCloud backup and toggle it on or off based on your preference. And that's all. Your iCloud settings are now updated. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.